Hey there, financial enthusiasts. Today, I'll share some quick tips on saving money and investing in stocks and mutual funds for a secure future. Different types of investments such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds are available in the market, but they all come with risks. You need to know everything about the product before investing in it. Investing is a key part of finance and to build wealth. While it may not be possible to get rich overnight through investing, it is important to remember that it is a long-term strategy. Tip number 1, start by saving a portion of your income. Whether it's a small amount or a percentage, consistency is key. Tip number 3, set clear financial goals. Determine how much you want to save and invest, and create a plan to achieve those goals. Tip number 4, use technology to your advantage. Many investment apps offer easy access to stocks and mutual funds, making it convenient to invest and track your portfolio. Tip number 5, diversify your investments. Spread your money across different stocks and mutual funds to reduce risk and increase potential returns. Tip number 6, keep a long-term perspective. Investing in stocks and mutual funds is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience and consistency will pay off over time. So, remember, save money consistently, educate yourself, set goals, leverage technology, diversify your investments, and think long-term. That's it for these quick tips. If you found them helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more financial advice. Here's to a secure future.